This is a video demonstration of the Panasonic BGH1 remote camera housing. We developed these housings completely as a custom product, and the housing is offered with a number of port sizes that the customer can select. This particular housing, the customer selected the Subcon connectors that connect to the side of the housing. However, we can have connectors at the back of the housing as well. There's a variety of different ports and connectors, underwater connectors, that can be used on this housing. This housing is meant to be deployed on ROVs, UAVs, remote camera setups, and application where the camera is controlled remotely from the surface. The housing itself is made for Panasonic BGH1 and is supplied with an N85 port side. And we also developed this housing in the N120 port side and also for the Panasonic BS1H box camera, which is the full frame version of the Panasonic BGH1. With the housing itself, we also supply the required extension tubes, various different domes and flat ports. This one in particular is a 4-inch flat port, 4-inch dome port that is used for fisheye lens. We also have a 6.5-inch dome that's used for the wide-angle lenses. We have a 9-inch dome as well, and as well as a 11-inch dome. The housing comes with a variety of different accessories as well. A vacuum valve can be added. A leak detection system can be added to the back of the housing as well to detect any leaks. If you're not aware of the Panasonic BGH1, it's a cinema style box camera that offers very good image quality in 4K. I will provide a link to the spec for this housing in the description of the video. These cameras typically are controlled by power over Ethernet, which provides power and data to the camera, and it has the ability to stream in 4K in real time. These cameras are very good choice for broadcasting in 4K.